Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on every dollar. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in everydollar.com/app and press enter. You will now be taken into the EveryDollar website, where if you haven't already logged into your account, you will need to enter your credentials and click on the login button. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard, from which if you wish to change your email address, click on settings at the bottom left section first. You can then click on manage your account in order to change your email address. And now from the account settings page, you will find change email address. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. So type in your account password and click on verify password button. You will then be asked to enter your preferred new email address. Type in your desired new email address and then enter the new email address once again for confirmation. Then click on the send email button. You will now be asked to verify your new email address by clicking on the link that you received within the email that you just entered. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Ramsey Solutions. Open up this email and click on the verify email button, and now you will be told that your email address has been changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on EveryDollar account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.